John keeps wanting to go off to the rim trail. Not sure why. Seems to really like the idea of a rim trail.
It can pull anything, it can go anywhere, but it just can't pass a gas station.
This is a boring video for you guys. Look at this. Look. Probably the more likely thing that we're going to do, purely because I'm fat, old and lazy. If I do it for like our anniversary, that's romantic, not lazy, isn't it?
80 miles? No, 30. 50 miles. My final answer.
50.
Too much. 5. 1 micron. No. It is day 13 already. I cannot believe we're already over halfway through our trip. It's been amazing. And we are in such a beautiful location today. Ta-da! Some mountains, mountain viewing, Flagstaff. That's it, Flagstaff. And we have got a very good detour, a bit out of the way, but it is worth doing. A very exciting stop today. But first, we're going to go see a friend. I'll leave that as a mysterious secret. We'll see you there.
All right, we have stopped off just south of Flagstaff to see someone who we've never met in person. It's Papa Drew. We tried to get the bikes along the sand road, but it was too soft, it's too powdery, and John still has PTSD from a couple of weeks ago, so...
And it wasn't as thick as this.
And yeah, I mean, it was fine. You'll learn to ride one day. So we've dumped the bikes there, and we're currently sat on the back of Papa Drew's truck. So he has his Can-Am normally up here that's, I think, having some work done. And so we're just riding on the back of his truck. It looks really cool. It's a really nice boondocking area in the forest. It's quite a long way to go on the bikes. If it was just a few spots down, whoa.
Yeah.
If it was just a few spots down, it would be fine, but this is pretty far to go.
So elegant.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
All right, we're entering the infamous Papa Drew's Skoolie. Check this out. Love this.
Oh, I love the bridge.
You like it?
Yeah.
Could we live in one of these?
No. Well, the hot
good.
tub makes it though,
Yeah,
I
the
think.
hot tub is, he did well there. It's fantastic. Bigger than I thought it would be.
John's not spreading sickness.
Yeah,
Oh
John's
my god, the hot tub makes
worried
it.
he's still a little bit sick, so...
Yeah, I don't want to put my germs in here.
No, true.
We are in a beautiful boondocking site in the Coconino National Forest, I want to say. Drew has got a fantastic site here, you know, with the little pond, and Lawrence is now exploring the party deck, as he calls it. It's really beautiful, but as he probably mentioned, the sand was way too much for us to take the bikes through. It's too thick, so I don't know how some of these rigs got down here, quite honestly. But it's really cool, and Drew was telling us there's no 14-day maximum stay, so yeah, you can be out here for months. It's very quiet and peaceful. It's very cool.
All right, well, day 13 has gone off to a great start. We are here with Papa Drew. Now, Drew, we have known each other for what, 2.5 years?
Yeah, absolutely.
Only online. Drew used to have a fantastic RV live feed channel. I mean, you did vlogs as well, but a lot of it was live feed stuff, and you invited us onto the show and we had such a great laugh. So thank you for that, but we've never met in person until today.
Yeah,
so this is
awesome.
weird. Your channel was growing really quick, and
Yes.
then you had some personal stuff you had to
Yes.
deal with, so
Yeah,
you had to get through all of that. But now you're back on it, and you're uploading videos. I want to see it more consistent.
Yeah, we're gonna try. We're gonna get Starlink. So once I get that handled, we can upload videos. We'll try and get 2 out a week.
Which you're
Is what-
hopefully ordering today, right?
Yes, I'm hoping.
I'm interested in your experience.
We're gonna do a review on that too.
But so this is the bus. You're going to do a review on this. You've been promising for a long time now.
We just filmed it.
you just filmed it. So Drew spent a whole bunch of money. This is very cool. We did a quick tour already, so if Drew lets us put that on there, we will do a quick teaser tour. But you need to go subscribe to Drew, help him get his channel back up and running, and he's going to put some cool stuff on. So I'm going to be honest, Drew, when you were telling me that you were going to do this, I didn't believe you.
Okay.
I'm like, no, this is just all talk. But he followed through. He got the bus. You've redone everything. That was literally a school bus, right? You had to rip the seats out and
96
everything.
96 seats, yeah.
Yep. And so it's now a fully fledged camper with solar and everything. It's got everything you ever need.
$110,000 to have that redone.
Ouch.
Yeah.
And then you have the F250 with the Can-Am normally on top, but you broke it.
Right. So we can talk about this real quick. So this is a V10, Triton V10. It's a 2000. I bought it for $14,000 because trucks are obviously made out of gold right now.
Yeah.
It's got 120,000 miles on it. It can pull anything. It can go anywhere, but it just can't pass a gas station. Every time I pass a gas station, I got to fill it up. It's horrible gas mileage. The Can-Am Brits on this ramp is made by TowSmart. The guy is super nice. I'm an engineer by trade, so getting up to the top rack can be a pain in the butt. So I have the party platform. What we do is we put a ladder up on this side, coming down, we walk up there and I can get to the Can-Am and take care of what I need to take off the straps or whatever. Makes life a whole bunch easier.
Thank you, Drew. We have to go now, so thank you for the coffee. Our hotel did not provide coffee, so you provided the coffee. You have some friends here as well that actually cooked us breakfast, so thank you very much. We really do appreciate it.
Oh, you guys are a family. Subscribe to their channel. They're really good people.
You definitely should.
And how they are on film is how they are in real life. There's no fake in here.
He just found that out today because we just met. Okay, well, thank you, Drew. We're going to head on out. We need to go get the bikes. Drew's going to drop us off because we had to park them up here because there's sand and John didn't want to fall off again. So, thanks again, Drew, and we'll meet again soon.
Yeah.
Right, now we're off to somewhere very special that we've never been. I wanted to go there for years and years and years, so let's hit the road and we will see you there. I'd say there's a 50% chance of dropping it.
Bye!
Cheers. Now they just made some military friends here. Made her day. All these soldiers in uniform and Hummers waving at her. Well, that was a lovely ride here. We are about 20 minutes away from one of the most spectacular things in the world. And we are currently staying, and this is going to give it away, but we are currently staying at the Grand Canyon Inn and Motel, which is lovely, I have to say. The rooms are fantastic. They have all the amenities. We've stayed at a few hotels the past couple of days that haven't had coffee. It's such a small thing. The coffee machine, just, you know, I don't even like caffeine. Like, I just like the decaf, but I need that coffee in the morning. It's kind of a routine thing. A shower and a coffee in the morning, nothing better. So we're here, we are checked in, we've dumped all of our crap off the bike, so we have nice light bikes, and we're going to head up and just tour the Grand Canyon. So we have arrived at the Grand Canyon Visitor Center. We wanted to go and do some like places further out, but we have gone to the visitor center just to get some information. Luckily for us, we got here at 10 to 4. Took 10 minutes to get into the park, 'cause it's a national park, so you pay at the gate. You get to the visitor center and it's 4:05 and it closes at 4. This is how we do it on Brazen Brits.
Yep, always
How we
late.
do it. Yeah, we're always late. To be fair, we've driven a lot and we had a great time with Papa Drew earlier. So the other problem is that my boots. You guys are fine, aren't you?
Yeah.
No, these rub. I just don't
Do
know
they?
about it.
Oh right,
Don't
apparently.
complain as much as you.
Anyway, so my left foot hurts because of the bike boots. I don't know why. It must be changing gear, I think. Must be something rubbing on the back. But anyway, so I didn't bring my other shoes, so I don't want to do too much walking.
We won't do too much. Yeah,
Okay. And I'm fat and old and tired. And I'm on holiday, so... Sorry, vacation. Vacation! That's your fault, slipping me back into English. Right, Mather Point. Copyright. Right, we can see it through the trees here. We're going to Mather's Point. John keeps wanting to go off to the rim trail. Not sure why. Seems to really like the idea of a rim trail, but we're going to Mather's Point. I can see it. Oh man, this is pretty incredible. You'll have to wait a minute until we get there. I'll stop teasing you. Oh my god, okay. Alright, I've seen this on TV and everything. It doesn't come out on TV.
Ready?
Hold on. I've seen this a lot on TV and pictures and stuff. You can't really describe it until you're here, can you?
Oh, I don't think I can still describe it. I thought Monument Valley was impressive, but this is something else again.
It's just unbelievable. This is a boring video for you guys. I'm just gonna look at it. Do you know what I find weird?
John.
John is a bit weird, you're right.
What do you find weird?
I find weird that there's no barriers here. That literally there is a mile drop, feet from where we're standing, and no barrier.
Valid.
Seriously? I'm not going any closer, but like I could jump and straight down, like over there. See that over there? Straight down. It's very cool though. You can actually see. It just doesn't come out on camera.
I know.
This is such an amazing place, and it just doesn't come out on the camera. It's so weird. It's like.
This is a bit more red rock, like I thought.
Yeah, this
Grand
is.
Canyon was.
Yeah, but you can see like the stream that goes through that's still eating away at the rock over there, and there is. Actually, I should probably mention that the ride round here is really nice. We're taking, what is this? Desert
View.
Desert View. We're taking the drive to Desert View. Now, if you were here, I would go to the end first, go to Desert View and then pop back, because everyone does each lookout. There's a lot of lookouts around here and parking places and stuff that you have to stop at there. Sorry, not that you have to stop at, but you know, they have parking places. You can't stop in between because it's just a road with no side bit. But yeah, go to Desert View first and then come back, and that's actually where we're headed, and we stopped here. But as you can tell, it's getting late. The other thing is, if you're a photographer, you already know this, come early in the morning or late at night, because you get some views like this. We're not very good at photography, but we do appreciate it.
Rude.
We're not really, are we?
Try.
We try, but yeah, it's just we're just speechless. We don't know what to say. You just come here in it. So there is a lot of trails as well around at some of the stopping points, and they even have some overnight parking for hikers. One day, I'm either going to hike down there to the river at the bottom, because it's really cool. It looks really cool from up here, and I'd love to be able to look up. Or I think you can buy a helicopter ride, which is probably the more likely thing that we're going to do, purely because I'm fat, old and lazy. I think that's fair enough, right? Yeah. We've earned that through our life of working. We've earned a helicopter ride to the bottom of the canyon, right? We can have a picnic. If I do it for like our anniversary, that's romantic, not lazy, isn't it?
Right.
It's a good idea. Anniversary present to the bottom of the canyon. And put a table out and stuff like that.
Just for photos.
Oh, yeah, we can invite you for photos. Yeah.
I can take photos for both of you to
Exactly.
mark the occasion.
Exactly. Is it our anniversary tomorrow? Natalie's made a friend. Look at this. Look.
Getting a picture. He don't care, does he? Thank you.
Probably does this all day.
Yeah. She's posing for everyone.
Was it a good picture?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm putting the picture up.
Yay!
Now. Okay, Natalie. How old do you think the Grand Canyon is?
Well, if the crater was 55,000 years, 75,000.
75,000 years. Well, just off the top of my head, it's somewhere between 5 and 6 million years.
Oh, okay. So this is okay.
And do you know what? So, do you know how it formed?
Water. I'm going to get better at this.
Got it. Did you research this before you got here?
No, it's just that it wasn't platelets, so...
It wasn't platelets.
It's got to be water.
Yep, and so you're right, it's the Colorado River. So the Colorado River over 5 to 6 million years has cut through all the rock. I didn't know that. I actually thought it was an earthquake, like cracked it open.
No, I think I did know it was water.
Did you?
Yeah.
I've watched tons of documentaries on this as well. The best thing about being me is that I forget all this stuff.
True.
And then I get to relearn it, and I'm re-fascinated every time I do it. It's fantastic. So yeah, it was just the water cut through it over 5 to 6 million years. And also, did you know that it is still, to this day, eroding the rock at the bottom?
I saw the little river down there. Yeah, so it must be.
Yeah, and basically the rock at the bottom is like 2 billion years old.
Wow.
Billion.
That's impressive.
That's a long time, isn't it? I wonder how long, like, in 5 to 6 million years, I wonder if it'll go down to the core.
Maybe. Who knows?
Do you know how deep it is?
800,000 feet.
I don't know. How many feet in a mile?
Oh, it's by miles. 80 miles? No, 30. 50. 50 miles. My final answer.
50.
Too much. 5. 1 micron. No, I don't.
It is 1 mile deep.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh,
A mile is a long way.
Okay, valid.
Well, that was crap now. Now it's disappointing.
Yeah, why isn't it 500 miles?
Yeah, you want it to... So, guys, down there is 500 miles deep. Should we just say that?
Yeah, I mean, they're not going to know unless they
The
Google
Grand
it.
Canyon is 500 miles deep.
Boop, fake news.
So it's 1 mile deep anyway.
Okay, cool.
I don't really have many more facts than that, but so one thing we want to say is you have to come here, and I know
Obviously.
I've seen the videos, right, and it just doesn't look the same. It is right behind us, and we've seen other people here, and I've seen documentaries and everything. It's not the same. When you're here, it is literally like, it's breathtaking.
This has been the most breathtaking
And
one.
Natalie hates this stuff.
I do, and this is impressive.
She's
even
not
for me.
Yeah, even for her, she was like, wow, that is cool, and that means a lot coming from Natalie.
Yes.
Anyway, you have to come and see the Grand Canyon. It is a little bit of a tourist trap so far, I'm going to say.
Yeah.
It's expensive to get in the national park, and there was a lot of people around where we were here, and we're late in the afternoon when visitor centres shut. But I'm enjoying this ride around.
Yes.
The roads are really nice. Like, if you have a motorcycle, definitely do the roads around here. The other thing actually about the ticket, it was like $30 a bike.
Yes.
$30 a vehicle.
No, 35 for cars
so-
and 30 for motorcycle, I think.
Okay, and that lasts for 7 days. We didn't know that.
Yes, so yeah, we can come back.
So we
here.
could come back tomorrow morning if we had time, but I don't think we do because we're going to go and see someone.
Someone?
Yeah.
Are we?
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. You'll have to wait until next week. All right, well, we will leave you with some of the views. Oh, John's
Yes.
going to say something.
Oh.
Just to give you another point. on
Another
being
point.
1 mile deep.
Being 1 mile deep.
So the height that we are above sea level right now. Nat, yeah,
Yes.
this is for you.
Okay.
1 mile would take us to sea level, pretty much.
Which sea?
Like the sea.
Okay, he doesn't know which sea.
Okay. So
Is this fake news?
Pacific.
Okay.
how high
Pacific.
how high in miles do planes fly?
So it's 37,000 feet. So that's probably about 7 miles high.
Okay.
Okay.
Valid.
It's a lot.
All right. Well, we'll go
Okay.
get some nice views for you.
We're going to go
We'll try
check out
and show you.
all the other overlooks and get some stuff. So anyway, thank you for watching. There is a video up. John's going to say something. Go on.
It's exactly 7 miles high.
Ooh.
Okay, 7
Oh,
miles
okay.
high, the plane flies. This is 1/7 of that deep.
Yes.
Which is a lot. If you think when you're high and you can like see everything. Okay, thank you for watching. Here's a video we think you're going to like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you know when we upload more videos. If you'd like to come to Braziere and
Join.
support a couple of tits, hit the join button. That was terrible, Natalie. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you to all of our
I
Brazieres
wasn't really
below
listening.
for your support. We will see you next week where we'll be meeting up with someone very special. Hopefully, fingers crossed, if he is there.
Okay.
I can't promise that. So anyway, bye.